The Butchers Association of Meghalaya have asked the state government to clarify the status of lumpy skin disease (LSD) as people still do not know if it is safe to consume beef. While speaking to reporters, Butchers Association of Meghalaya President Esron Marwan said that they were assured that by the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department that it's going to issue a statement on whether there are any fresh cases or report deaths of cattle from LSD in the state. Stating that the meat sellers are in a fix, he said that many of them were forced to close down their shops as their business suffered. Marwan said the situation has come to such a pass that these shops are finding it tough to sell even 10 kg of beef.
Tigilapan siya nakaliang jungki. Hak by day ko kanigi jingpang. Kanigi jingpang re kam dadai han ka baong ko patmai. Hare kanigi jingpang kadai ko belah don mendu mensua. Hare mensua tarai badai kilat tai ko bor kam dalong tan ko bolong mentah. Hare mentah pat kai ke baja. Akilat tai ko bor kala poi lut narta kadau long kani kala nang kata arsya yang i ko menong dido. Namar kani ke jing penmi ya kani ka jing don jo kani ke jing pang ka la sa kreng do kata adu bagi pajba kila don ke jing wen ne ke jing khonyo jong ki watang ban thi ko do on pa.
Different parts